Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make viral gummy candy. First, gather your essential ingredients and tools. You'll need unflavored gelatin, your favorite flavored syrup, and a touch of citric acid for that tangy kick. Don't forget a good silicone mold and a small saucepan. Make sure everything is measured precisely before you begin. Next, let's prepare the base. In a bowl, combine your unflavored gelatin with about 1/4 cup of cold water and let it sit for 5 minutes to bloom. Meanwhile, gently heat 1 cup of your favorite flavored syrup in a saucepan over low heat. Once the gelatin is bloomed, add it to the warm syrup and stir continuously until it's completely dissolved. Now for the flavor, remove the mixture from the heat and stir in about 1/2 teaspoon of citric acid. This gives your gummies that delightful tangy kick. Carefully pour the warm liquid into your silicone molds, filling each cavity evenly. Once filled, place the molds in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or until the gummies are completely set. Once your gummies are fully chilled, they should be firm and ready. Carefully pop them out of their molds, they should release easily. Now you have delicious, homemade gummy candies to enjoy or share. Remember, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description below for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your sweet creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.